Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your plants grow faster and grow a garden. And sometimes you can grow it instantly, I guess. So you're going to have two slots here, and you're going to hold on to the seed you want to plant and press load. Now, when there's the cutscene, you are going to place your plants. If you don't have the cutscene, you will need to just log out of the game. It does defeats the purpose a little bit, but you are going to log out of the game and wait a few seconds, and then when you come back here, you can place your plants now. And as you can see, my plants have grown instantly and I don't have to wait for them to grow. And that is basically how you can instantly plant your seeds instantly and grow a garden. I'm just going to add more because I need more mushrooms, to be honest. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.